Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your salary insights with Glassdoor and LinkedIn step by step clearly. Visit the Glassdoor website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the salaries section of the site. Enter your job title and location in the search bar. Review the salary data available for your role. Take note of the range presented. Now, visit LinkedIn. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Click on the Jobs tab. Search for your job title in the same location used on Glassdoor. Scroll down to find Salary Insights under Job Listings. Compare the salary ranges provided by LinkedIn with those on Glassdoor. Look for trends in the data between the two platforms. Consider factors such as company size and industry for further context. If available, check company-specific salary reports on both sites. Gather insights from employee reviews to enhance your understanding. Analyze the data to draw your conclusions. Prepare to use this information in salary negotiations or career planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.